Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical home organization, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from home organization, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best home organization from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. KRAUS 33-inch Undermount Workstation 16-gauge Double Bowl Stainless Steel Kitchen Sink. Transform your kitchen with the KRAUS 33-inch Undermount Workstation Sink. This 16-gauge stainless steel sink features an integrated ledge that allows you to slide accessories like a bamboo cutting board and roll-up dish rack, giving you a multifunctional workspace that minimizes clutter. The sleek Undermount installation provides a seamless transition from sink to countertop, making cleanup a breeze. With a smooth satin finish and rounded corners, the sink is easy to clean and resistant to corrosion. The large double bowl design offers ample space for washing and prepping, and the sloped bottom with channel grooves ensures easy drainage. This durable sink includes 2 protective bottom grids, drain assemblies with covers, and all necessary hardware for installation. The heavy-duty 16-gauge construction ensures lasting performance and resistance to dents and damage, making it a perfect choice for any modern kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with this high-performance, noise-reducing workstation sink today. Number 2. Dataroad Selead 2-pack Under Sink Organizers and Storage Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. The Dataroad Selead 2-pack Under Sink Organizers and Storage Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer is the perfect solution for organizing your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. These sliding drawer-style organizers are easy to assemble with no tools required, making them hassle-free to install. The top and bottom baskets slide out smoothly from both sides, offering easy access to stored items with a stop pin to prevent the top basket from falling out. The adjustable height design ensures it fits most spaces, and the maximum clearance between shelves is 9.7 inches, ideal for storing bottles and cleaning supplies. Made from durable steel with an anti-rust coating, these organizers can hold up to 50 LPs, providing a stable and reliable storage solution. The unique L-shaped design maximizes storage space and avoids pipes, while the grid shelves prevent water accumulation. Perfect for anyone looking to declutter and make their cabinets more efficient and accessible. Number 3. Vtopmart 4-pack Bathroom Organizer 2-tier Clear Under Sink Organizers. The Vtopmart 4-pack Bathroom Organizer is the perfect solution for keeping your bathroom, kitchen, pantry, or any space organized and tidy. Designed with convenience in mind, these 2-tier clear under-sink organizers feature pull-out drawers with tracks to ensure smooth and stable operation. The easy-to-install design requires no tools, and the durable PET material and stainless steel support tubes offer long-lasting use without rusting. Aside with an overall dimension of 11.8-inch long, 7.5-inch wide, 10-inch height, this organizer maximizes vertical storage space under sinks, making it ideal for small or cluttered areas. The clear material allows for easy visibility, helping you quickly find what you need. Plus, the top drawer can hold up to 15 LPs, and the bottom and top are equipped with non-slip silicone pads for stability. Perfect for cosmetics, toiletries, cleaning supplies, and more. This multi-purpose organizer helps save time and space while keeping your essentials within easy reach. Number 4. Silicone Under Sink Mat Kitchen Essentials and Gadgets Shelf Liner and Cabinet Protector. The Winnisock Silicone Under Sink Mat is the ultimate solution for protecting your cabinets, shelves, and floors from spills, leaks, scratches, and stains. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, this mat features a raised 1.6C edge design that effectively traps liquids, preventing them from damaging your surfaces. Waterproof, heat-resistant, and easy to clean, it's perfect for use under kitchen and bathroom sinks, offering a versatile protection solution. Not only does it shield your cabinets, but it also doubles as an organizer to keep your space neat and mess-free. Available in various sizes, this mat fits most kitchen and bathroom cabinets and can even be trimmed to accommodate pipes. It's ideal for preventing damage and keeping your home tidy, whether it's used in the kitchen, bathroom, or as a crafting mat, pet food mat, or dish drying mat. Easy to install, clean, and built to last, the Winnasock Undersink Mat is a must-have for your home. Number 5. Vtopmart 24 PCs Plastic Airtight Food Storage Containers with Lids. Kitchen and Pantry Organization. The Vtopmart 24 PCs Plastic Airtight Food Storage Containers set is the perfect solution to keep your kitchen and pantry organized and clutter-free. This set includes 4 different sizes of containers, 6 tall, 6 large, 6 medium, and 6 small, to fit all your dry goods like cereal, pasta, flour, rice, snacks, and more. The airtight side-locking lids with silicone gaskets ensure your food stays fresh and dry. These containers are made from durable, BPA-free, food-grade plastic, providing a long-lasting solution to food storage. The clear design makes it easy to see what's inside so you can quickly grab what you need. Plus, the set comes with 24 reusable labels to help you easily organize and identify contents. The stackable, space-saving design optimizes your kitchen pantry space, making it easier than ever to stay organized and efficient. Say goodbye to pantry clutter and enjoy a tidy, organized kitchen with Vtopmart food storage containers. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.